video is on percent of change. Percent of change is nothing more than the ratio of the amount of increase or decrease to the original amount. And we have two possible formulas that we could work with here. Both will get you the same answer. The one in the green on the top there, those straight lines, remember that those indicates absolute value. So that's the distance from zero. That number, either the sum or the difference, will be positive each and every time. So let's look at an example here. We're looking for the percent of change from 53 to 61. We'll go ahead and replace our equation with the values. We need to subtract 53 and 61. 8 is the difference, but because it's absolute value, it is positive. At this point, we just cross multiply and divide like we would with any other kind of ratio. And our rate is going to equal 15.1%. Here's another example. Original is 65, the new was 40. Again, we'll use the same formula. Inserting the values there, 65 minus 40 will give us 25. We cross multiply and divide, and our rate will equal 38.5%. Now let's talk about discount and markup. Discount's the amount by which the regular price is reduced. So if you go to a store and you see something on sale, that's a discount. The way you determine that is you take the cost, you multiply it by 100% minus the discount. So let's look at an example. Our initial price is $175, but it's on sale for 40% off. So we need to subtract 40% from 100 and then multiply that by 175. And our cost on that will be $105. Now for markup, that's the difference between the price paid by the merchant and the increased selling price. So when you go to a store and they're charging, let's say, $45 for a shirt, they didn't purchase that shirt for $45. They may have purchased it for $20, but they're doing a markup of that shirt to make a profit for the store, to pay the people working in the store, pay the electricity bill, pay the rental cost for the store. They have all these other costs that you don't see that they have to account for. So that's why Amazon is actually doing so well with their book sales versus, let's say, a brick and mortar store like Barnes & Noble, because they have warehouses. They don't have to pay for lighting and having a coffee shop in their store and people helping you out. They just have people working the warehouse, throwing things in boxes and sending them on their way, or sending the book to you electronically. The way we determine a markup, cost times the 100% plus the markup. Okay, so let's look at an example there. The store purchases a pair of shoes for $20 and marks them up 75%. How much will the consumer pay? So we'll take our formula, insert the values. So for a $20 pair of shoes that the store purchases, they are going to charge $35.